Today we're checking out the new JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker. I'm curious to see how this compares to the previous JBL Go 3 because that one packs quite a punch for such a small speaker. Probably the best part to this new speaker is the battery life can go up to 7 hours with playtime boost versus only 5 with the previous one. It's also waterproof, dustproof. You can also pair this with another JBL Go 4 speaker, and it's going to work with the JBL portable app as well. I did notice for some reason it says 4.2 watts now instead of 5 watts. It's also a tad lighter at 0.4 pounds versus 0.5, even though it is a little bit wider. But as you can see, there's a lot of similarities between this and the JBL Go 3. It also has Bluetooth 5.3. Of course, it comes with your quick start guide, safety and warranty information, pretty small USB-C to USB-A charging cable. It actually feels pretty similar to the JBL Go 3. Obviously, slightly upgraded design with this one. Definitely a little more red now instead of the pink. It does have silicone feet there on the bottom. Doesn't stick out quite as much as the JBL Go 3, but somewhat similar. Your controls are now on the left-hand side instead of on the right. You've got your power, Bluetooth pairing, multi-speaker connection, and of course your indicator light there. Kind of nice how they got the buttons integrated with the silicone now, instead of just sitting on top of the fabric like on the Go 3. You'll also notice the back is a little bit different here as well. Just has the 2 little strips versus a big rectangle pad. Your charging ports on the right with the Go 4 branding there as well. The loop is still made of a fabric material, but it's flat now instead of the rounded rope or shoelace style. Sounds like the same startup and power off sounds as well. Nice thing is it pops right up on my phone, so you don't even have to go into your Bluetooth settings. Now inside the JBL portable app, you've got a few different equalizer options like JBL Signature, Energetic, Vocal, or you can do a custom one as well. You've also got your playtime boost, stereo group, product information. You'll see right below the speaker, it looks like we're at 75% battery life. Now for the next part of the video, you'll want to use headphones. I'll play a few audio samples from the JBL Go 4 and see how it compares to the JBL Go 3.
Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
It might be hard to tell from these samples, but yeah, surprisingly the JBL Go 4 does sound a little bit better and louder than the Go 3, plus with a better battery life. I feel like it's pretty obvious on which one is better. Just keep in mind, if you do use the playtime boost option, it doesn't really sound as good, and it gets rid of most of the bass to get better battery life.